Okay, we have come down to the jetty. There's a flat river. So we're gonna get a dinghy from here, and we're gonna go. One of these dinghy will be ours. This one should be for what?
It's cool. It's the one that brings in the rubber.
Oh, okay, rubber from buy from the rural areas, huh? Fly river, yeah. Okay, so those are the rubber on that side, I see. Yeah. Which one? How much is rubber here? Okay. 1 kina 20 per kilo. Huh? Oh, only subsidizing, so it should. Subsidy is like. Sometimes if they subsidize, the price will still remain, but the government will take the cost of transport, so that people will get their 1 kilo something straight. Because normally when they come and sell, and then they pay for the fees. Okay, so we are ready to go. Huh? Okay, now we are going down. That's Fly Zombie. This is the ferry that is assisting the landowners, rural areas, bringing the produce, rubber, into the town. Okay, so this is our dinghy. We're getting on. I'll get on. Watch me, otherwise I might fall down. Okay. Yeah.
We're late, so we just gone.
There's a dinghy coming from upstream, Fly River upstream. Okay, we'll come to the jetty. Fly Zombie.
I'm selling here. No, here it's not. It's dangerous again because now community places are controlled. Said man comes along.
Kimlo sipiana. But in a one time, 7,000 kina. But mostly people of kilo sipigamia. 7,000 kina. It is mostly from mostly to Kiunga 7,000. I lawyer more 7,000 Logonda loss la. Plus 2,000 la. At least we'll come la 2,000, 3,000. 2,000 is okay.
We need to free whatever companies. I will pay yes.
Hey, should bring me right there.
Let me see.
Okay, now driving out of the jetty. This is the Fly River, and that's the jetty for the company. Yeah, Opted, yeah.
Okay.
For the Opted. Rubber ship.
They call it cuckoo.
Oh, okay. So these are ones go around to the village to get the rubber.
Yes, go down to Villa Fly and South Fly. Rubber is the only cash crop in Western Congo. Major cash crop. this is up. That's up. We are going up. So this is the Fly River. Fly home. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay. For night riders. You want to see it, you come and bang. we went in here. Oh, so we're going to go in there. Oh, we're going to go up. One of the hamlets.
River Dam here, approaching. That belongs to the company, the East Awing FMA Project. There's a canal. On the side of the river. Put down. So there is a pontoon here. Boats loading the logs. And eventually we take it down all the way to the coast, to the mouth of the Fly River to load onto the ship. I think this will go to Umuda export point. That's continue going up Fly River.
What is this road that the member is doing the backup? From here,
And these are the pontoons loading the logs. These logs go down to Umuda.
Umuda, yes, yeah, Umuda.
All these ones go down to Umuda export point.
Takes about 5 days, 5 to 7 days.
About 5 to 7 days from here to travel down the river to Umuda at the mouth of Fly River. Okay, so this is the jetty and the log pond for East Awing FMA Project. So we have arrived here. This is where we will be. So we have come also alongside this place now. So we're jumping off. Oh, come on. Aha! Come. All right, thank you. Some of these flowers.